Hey buddy, you need to be grateful. Hell no. Me, I want to be grateful. There is nothing going on in my life. Everything looks so miserable. I just broke up with my life. I just broke up with my wife. I just broke up with my girlfriend. I don't have money. I just got fired from the job. All my friends hate me. Everybody hates me. Nobody loves me. I'm so miserable. Nothing working in my life. I don't even have a career. I have nothing. Nobody loves me. I'm alone. I'm lonely. I'm depressed. I don't know what I'm doing in my life. I don't have a job. I don't have a future. I don't know why should I be grateful. Well, I understand you. You don't feel that way alone. There are thousands of people around the world that also feel the same way. And you know what? It is fine because here you will understand first the reason why you should be grateful in such of moments, but also you will never see gratitude the same way ever again after sticking around this video and knowing something first. By being grateful, it's changed completely the way you see your situation and the way you see the condition you are in. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this video. My name is Chris Cowie, and here I will take you on a journey of understanding gratitude in a very different way. And then, what is gratitude? You see, people talking about gratitude, thousands of people talking about gratitude on internet, and you've probably come around across a video of probably someone talking about gratitude that you need to be grateful, and you know personally that it feels good to be grateful, right? But here is the thing: when you are going through a dark moment, when you are going through a very hard, tough moment, it doesn't make sense to be grateful. It doesn't necessarily make sense to be grateful. And why should we be grateful if nothing is working the way we want to? Or why should we be grateful if it doesn't feel right? So you are correct. You are absolutely correct to not want to be grateful or to not feel to being grateful. Even if you want to, you don't feel like it. We understand that. And I do also feel this the same way sometimes. And people don't also, a lot of people also feel the same way. Now, here's the thing: to understand what gratitude means, why you should be gratitude in every state of your life, we first need to explore an analogy, something that you might come along and think about with me. Imagine that you are the owner of a house. You have a house, or let's say you have a house with a two bedroom, or you have just two houses and you want to go on a vacation, and you have two friends, two good friends, like a beautiful friend of yours, and you call your friends and say, okay guys, I'm going on a vacation and I want you guys to occupy these two houses, and you give the one house to one friend and you give the other house to another friend. And now you go on a vacation, you spend your day on a vacation, you do whatever you want, you enjoy your life, and you come back. As you come back from your vacation, you see one friend using your house and spoiling everything in the house, break everything. Like the house becomes so messy. You enter the house, it smells like dizzy. The odor that's coming from the house is so dangerous that you feel like, oh, this is not the place that I was before I left. Everything in the house just scattered and everything is spoiled. That's the first friend. Now you visit the second friend. Everything is taken care of. Everything is clean, so beautiful. Everything is organized. He even bought some beautiful flowers into your houses. He even put the perfume that you like. He put everything in order and organizing your house in a beautiful manner. If you are that person, what would you do in that kind of situation? Write down in the comment section, what would you do exactly, knowing that you are the owner of the two houses and one friend has spoiled what you build with your own effort, and then giving it to him, he didn't take care of it, and the other is just taking care of it in a very good way. What would you do in that kind of a situation if you are the owner of the two houses? Without guessing too much, I wouldn't already understand that you will definitely take the house from the other friend, or even chase him from the house, or even if you didn't, you will probably do something that is not good or that is not a positive thing. But here is the thing: we also, as human beings, we are a kind of house of someone else. And here we are not being religious. Even if you don't have any religious belief, We all agree that we have been created by someone, or we have been created by this something. Let's call it the universe, let's call it God, let's call it whatever you want. I completely agree with you on the name that you choose, like call it Allah if you want to. Someone create us, or something create us that we dedicate a name to, and I don't want to use a specific name here, but someone create us, and that person is visiting sometimes. It is coming back to you sometime and waking you up every morning. And when you wake up all this morning, you are spoiling your body, you are spoiling your beautiful life. And that person, do you think he's gonna feel good about you? Do you think if he has an extra house that he will give it to you as the friend that you will take your house from? Do you think the owner of your body will give you another chance to live? Definitely not. And the first thing starts first with being able to live. And if you are alive today, it is for a reason. It is because the owner of your body, the owner of your life, is giving you more opportunity to live. Because there is nothing that is proven to be able to increase the expectancy for people. There is none. We can save people from illness, but we cannot save them from dying. We cannot save them from death. Nobody has been ever saved from death. It can be mythical, but it's never done in our time. It never will be done because people will die and you also will die at a certain point. Or I also will die at a certain point, but we have not died yet. So as long as we are here, we need to be grateful. As long as you wake up this morning, you should be grateful because that is the first thing, as being able to take care of yourself, as being able to take care of your body, your mind, your spirit. That is the first thing you need to do because the creator has given you an ability to be able to take care of, to take advantage of the space, of the infrastructure that he has given to you. You can move your hand, you can move your hands, you can move your legs, you can move your tongue, you can move your heart to talk and to explain. You can use your ears to help the words I'm conveying to you. That is something you need to be grateful for. Because if you don't, you are going to spoil your body like the friend that just spoiled your house, and that is not good. That is not something that you want even for yourself, that you will do even to yourself. And your body is the house that you are giving also hypothetically to your friend. So God also has given to you your body so that you take care of your body. You need to take care of your body, not because you have to look good for people, not because you have to look so young or good for people, but because you have to look good to the creator, because you have to be good in order to take advantage of the great resource that God, or the whatever you call it, has given to you. And that is the first step. Now, around the world, there are hundreds of people dying every day. You can check it on Google. I cannot confirm it, even if you don't believe in that kind of search. But assuming, hypothetically, you know that at least one person die a day in the world, and it could be you, it could be me, it could be anyone, it could be your father, it could be your mother, it could be your siblings. So, knowing that everybody will die at a certain point, and it could be you, it could be me, it could be anyone. Why don't you be grateful just being alive today? Why just you don't you can be grateful just being alive today? Of course, if you are going through a really tough moment, it can be like you might prefer to die of living, but interiorly, I mean, really deep down yourself, your life is worth more than a life in other part of the world. Someone is going through more harder than you. Someone is going through it more complicated than you. Imagine what has passed before along the history. Imagine the story of slavery. You are not slave anymore. You are not, at least you are not a physical slave, a slavery anymore. So at least you can be something that you are grateful for, something that you have more opportunity than someone that can progress. You have so many to be grateful for, and gratitude is not something that you do in order to just fit into a society group of people thinking and promoting gratitude. No, it is something, it is state of mind that you live in. It's just like water. It is indispensable to your life. It is important. It is a state of mind in which if you operate in, you take care of yourself. And by taking care of yourself, you are giving the chance to the universe to give you more. Just like a friend. It is not something that you do to just praise the other. It's something that you do in order to take more, to get more. Because by taking care of yourself, you assume and you prove that you are capable of handling what has been given to you, and who has ability to handle what they have been given can have more. And the people that succeed and the people that can achieve more are the people that can feel the present moment, are the people that are able to feel and to do everything they are currently able to do. If you cannot, if as your friend he cannot take care of the house that you gave me him, why should you give him another house? If the money God has give you, why you are not able to handle the money, why should he give you another money? If the children that the God has given to you, why should he give you another one? Or if whatever God has given you, the universe has given you, if you are not able to take care of it, why should he give you another one? And people are praying, like praying, asking, trying to manifest things, but they are not taking care of what they currently have. If you don't currently take care of what you have, why are you asking for more? How do you want to take care of them? You don't have the possibility, you don't have the resources, you don't have the capacity to take care of what you have now, and you are asking for more. Well, it doesn't make sense. Even for you personally, if you were the creator, would you give people in such kind of case? You definitely want first to make sure whatever you have, it's been taken care of, it's been taken care of properly, and properly, I mean, you have to take care of whatever you have, and knowing after taking care of that, you feel the present, you feel your moment, you are really deeply feeling your present. And once the present is filled, you need more, you can handle more. God is, I mean, the universe is looking for people that are capable of more. The universe is looking for people that can handle more. Think about it. Whoever can be president of a country is who can actually handle his own problem in order to handle others people's problem. And that's what the leader is. You cannot be a leader if you cannot even have the ability to handle your own emotions, your own problems. Before being a leader to lead others people, you have first to lead yourself. You have to take care of yourself, and then you can take care of others people. That is how it works. And being grateful just help you to be able to take care of yourself. That's why you need gratitude. Because if you are not grateful for something, you cannot take care of them. You cannot take care of it. If you are not grateful for the life you have, you cannot take care of it because it doesn't take it, because it is not valuable to you. Being grateful helps you take care of yourself and feel the moment. That is the theory, that is the philosophy behind gratitude. And once you understand it, it will never be the same again, because you know, like water is indispensable in your life, and it's nothing that you can just go around about. You need to be grateful in the moment, and you feel the gratitude, and you take care of the thing that you have, and you go on to live the best of life that you can. And knowing that, as you are being grateful and taking care of everything that you have now, you have the ability to handle more. You can take care of the one house that you have, then you can be given more. People want to give you more because they see how beautiful that you can take care of what you have. People want to come with you. People want to be around you because they know you will take care of them. People want to be your friend because they know how good you have taken care of the one friend that you have. You have one friend, you are not taking care of them. How do you want more friends? You cannot definitely maintain the more relationships. So you need first to maintain one thing, but one thing that you want to maintain comes down first to gratitude. And gratitude just allow you to take care of those things. And even if you're in your darkest moment, there is something to be grateful for. You need to be grateful to have such a dark moment so that you can go out of it and then tell it as a story. But if you are in the dark moment, you think it is the end, then you cannot come out of it. Now, if you are going through a dark moment, if you start thinking about gratitude, it changes directly how you view that dark moment, because you know you will go out of it. and you have been grateful to go through that thing because you know it is not the end, it is just a time you are passing through. So gratitude just allows you to see things differently. That's how why you need to be grateful. You know you are going through a tough time, but you accept it. It's not like, okay, I'm grateful, this is not a bad time. No, I'm grateful that this is a bad time, and I accept that I'm going through the bad time, and I'm learning something valuable from this moment. Therefore, I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful for the lesson that the universe is trying to teach me through this hard time. And that's why gratitude just change how you view it. And you know it is not the end, it is just a time you're passing through. But if you are not grateful, you can tend to see it as the end. And then if you don't think that you can go through such a moment, why could you have any incentive to keep living? Could you have any incentive to keep taking care of yourself? Probably not. And when you have gratitude, it allows you to have incentive to go through that moment, to go through moment with a positivity, knowing that it affects you in a very negative way. You transform it like energy. It cannot be destroyed, it cannot be created, it only can be transformed. And you transform the negativity into positivity. You transform all the negative that happened to you into valuable lesson that you consume and also share with others. That is what gratitude does for you. Gratitude allows you to go through a hard and tough moment with safety manner, in a sexy manner. So ladies and gentlemen, that was gratitude, and I hope after this video you will go on in your life living differently, living positively, energetically, in knowing that gratitude is there to help you to try to go through any kind of moment, knowing that it is not the end, it is just a time that you're passing through. And that is gratitude. And that is how gratitude is important in your life. That's how gratitude is important in your life as well. So I hope you have something from this video. At least if you have understood something, it is that gratitude is what helps you take care of yourself and take care of everything around you. And by taking care of everything that you have, you are open to have more because you have the ability to take care of more. But if you cannot take care of what you have, if you cannot take care of the body that you have, you are not being grateful for your body. If you cannot take care of whatever you have, you are not being grateful for that thing. And therefore you cannot be given more, and therefore you cannot handle more, because by definition you are not capable. And by not being capable, don't dream about it, don't even think about it. It will not come to you, because the people or the person that is in the other side of the world that is being able to take care of whatever they have will get it by definition. And I don't want those people to get it. I want you to get it, and I want you to be grateful. I want you to be the best you can, and I want you to start being grateful for all your life, and to have gratitude around and about everything in your life, and you start feeling different, and you notice how you feel, and notice how it's changed your perception about things. Notice how it makes you become a very better person. And I know you're a better person, but you just need to change the perception about those things, and you see how your life change as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have an amazing day, and go on to take care of everything that you have. Go on to take care of your parents, to go on to take care of your sister and brothers, and go on to take care of yourself. Peace and love. Thank you.